Did you know? A dolphin's brain isn't just smart. It's basically running on cheat codes. They can recognize themselves in the mirror, which means dolphins know that's me. In the animal world, that's a big deal. Even chimpanzees have to cue for that level of self-awareness. Even cooler, dolphins see the world through sound. They send out ultrasonic waves and rebuild 3D images in their minds. Like having a radar inside their brain. Humans see with eyes. Dolphins scan with thoughts. Guess who's got the upgrade? And here's the sweetest part. When a dolphin is hurt or stressed, others send special sounds to comfort it. That's not instinct, it's empathy. Their brains can feel emotions, like having an emotional Wi-Fi underwater. So no, dolphins aren't just smart, they're warm, self-aware, and deeply empathetic. The true philosophers of the sea, wearing smiles as their signature. Snap it, know it, ask Max anything. Try ScanMaster.
Follow me.